Hello students, today we will read the poem The Quarrel. This poem is written by Eleanor Fairjohn. Now in this poem, the poet is describing about the quarrel between brother and sister. Like we all live in a family and we all live together, but the quarrel between brother and sister, it is a kind of funny quarrel. Like they fight with each other, but they also enjoy it. Okay, so we will read this poem now. I quarreled with my brother. Poet is saying that the sister is saying that I quarreled with my brother, but I don't know what about. But they don't know the reason why that quarrel happened. Both of them, they don't know the reason. One thing led to another. Now one thing happened, then the other thing happened. Something the brother was saying, something the girl was saying, the sister was saying, and somehow they fell out. Now they went into the fight. दोनों के बीच में लड़ाई चल रही थी, एक के बाद एक बात होती चली गई और उसके बाद वो कहाँ पड़ गए? लड़ाई में पड़ गए. मतलब उनकी लड़ाई स्टार्ट हो गई. द स्टार्ट ऑफ इट वॉज स्लाइट. स्लाइट मीन्स पैटी, और वी कैन से इट द स्टार्ट ऑफ इट वॉज वेरी स्लो, बट द एंड ऑफ इट वॉज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. Now when the quarrel started, when they start fighting, then the start of it was very slight, very petty, very small, but the end of it was very strong. He said he was right. Now what the brother was saying? That I am right. I knew he was wrong. But the girl was saying, the sister was saying that no, you are wrong. Okay? दोनों की फाइट चल रही थी एंड ही वॉज सेइंग दैट आई एम राइट, बट द गर्ल वॉज सेइंग दैट नो, यू आर रॉन्ग. वी हेटेड वन अनदर. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? दे बोथ हेटेड वन अनदर. एक दूसरे से क्या करने लगे? वो हेट. हेट डजंट मीन लाइक दे वर नॉट एनिमी, बट इट वॉज द हेट ऑफ दैट टाइम्स फाइट. The afternoon turned black. Now, when the fight started, it was afternoon. And when like it was going to an end, but that time it became black. It was going to be night. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Thumped means pat करना, थपथपाना. जैसे if you are doing something good, तो योर फादर योर मदर दे पैट यू, आपकी पीठ थपथपाते हैं कि शाबाश, यू हैव डन गुड, यू हैव डन वेरी वेल. सो माई ब्रदर थम्प्ड मी ऑन द बैक एंड सेड, ओ कम अलॉन्ग, ओ डोंट वरी, ओके लेट इट बी, वी कैन गो ऑन ऑल नाइट, वी कैन कंटिन्यू दिस फाइट ऑल नाइट, बट आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू बी. ओके, now we should stop this fight. We should not continue this fight the whole night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Now what the boy was saying? I was in the wrong. Okay, the boy accepted, the brother accepted his mistake. Okay, I was wrong. Now the girl saying, now the sister is saying, yes, now you are right. So this poem is like both the brothers and sister, they were fighting. The fight started very slow, very petty, and it became very strong by the night. But then the brother thumped on the back of his sister and said to discontinue the fight, to end the fight. Now the girl, the sister, she was saying, now my brother is right. Next, word power. Word power means the difficult words: slight, little or unimportant. Like it was very less. Thump, to give a heavy blow. To pat. Going back to the poem, write the answers to these questions. How did the fight start? Okay, write the answers of these questions. How did the afternoon turn black? How did they become friends again? Now pick out the words that rhyme. You have to write the rhyming words. Talk time. Now you can discuss. You can speak something on a fight between your sister or your brother. Now one more question is there. Think and discuss. Why do you think people they quarrel? Discuss in groups. You can discuss with your families also. Why the people they quarrel, and what should we do? That what we have to do, we should not quarrel with each other. So we can think on this question and we can discuss. Thank you.